Good day everyone, I'm Sean Ebrel Enokfeme and I will introduce with my partner.
I'm Arkin Santos.
Today we're going to discuss of our research study and our title, Chasing Education Beyond the Mountains, the Struggles of Mountainous Teachers. Before we start, allow me to introduce the members of our study, starting with Auro Ira, Basera Princess Anne, Okfemia Sean, Robles Sherry, Santos Arkin, Ornos Nicolet. The paper examines how does the mountainous teachers withstood teaching and living in rural areas. They face many challenges such as limited resources, lack of teaching materials, unstoppable internet connection, poor students attendance, and lastly, the language barriers. It's about teachers mounted of rural areas. It explains how they keep teaching and teaching even if it is hard. They do not have enough materials. Their internet is weak. Many students are often absent and there are language problems. It shows these teachers are strong and still do their job despite the challenges. Based on the findings of our study, it's recommended that schools and authorities provide more support to the teacher that assigned in mountainous areas, including providing enough learning materials, stable internets, and better classrooms facilities. Also, local government should support teachers and communities to continue the good quality education for indigenous students. Other study may conduct and interview other participants in the different mountain areas for a better understanding of this study. This study explains why teaching in mountainous areas is important, showing the struggles teachers face and their dedication to helping students learn despite challenges. Staple of the problem. This study aimed to explore and understand the experiences and challenges of mountainous teacher relating to their sacrifices, struggles, and a lot of challenges they facing at teaching in remote areas. This study aims to provide a helpful support and motivation to the other teachers, especially to those students. Significantly, it sought to answer of following questions. 1. How do the teachers deal with their necessities? 2. Can you share the experiences during your first day in this mountainous area? 3. What are the challenges of obstacle have you encountered while teaching in mountainous area? Statement of eh, this problem looks at the experiences and challenges of the teachers. Working in mountainous areas focuses on their daily struggles, needs and ways of copying. Research design. A qualitative research method was chosen to determine the particular obstacles of individual research in remote location. This study used a qualitative method to understand teachers' experiences through interviews and discussions, helping gathering deeper insights about their real-life situations and challenges. Participants that responded select of the study were mountainous teacher. They were selected uses purposive sampling method to verify the this responded will share all of the experiences as it relevant and related on our study. The study focuses on one mountainous teacher who shares real experiences about teacher in remote areas, giving detailed information about challenges faced in daily teaching life. Data collection. Our study was approved by our research advisor that checked our topic and processes if it's appropriate on our research. After getting the approval, we asked the permission to the grade 9 English in San Jose National High School, Ma'am Riza L. De Leon, to validate and check our research and interview questions to make related to our study. The researchers ask permission and validate their questions before interviewing and teacher ensuring that the study is accurate, clear, and appropriate for research purposes. Once found of our one participant, we asked for her permission to be part of our study and started the online interview. And we make sure to record through video and voice record so that we can hear the data clear and see her expressions while telling the answer in every questions. The researchers recorded and reviewed the interview to clearly understand the teacher's answers, making sure all important details and responses were properly captured and
Analyze.
analyzed. Thank you. This method is motivated by the study, Our Unseen Battle, exploring the teachers motivated to work multiple areas 2025. It emphasizes that the pathetic reverses provide profound insights into challenges faced by teachers. This study is supported by related research showing teachers facing challenges like isolated and poor living conditions, helping explain the struggles experiences in mountainous teacher environments. Familiarizing the data that we gathered from interview using tectonic analysis, generating initial codes, coding the data, identify the terms, clarifying the meaning, writing all the data and themes that we gathered from the responded. This explained how the data was carefully studied by organizing, coding, and analyzing interview answer to find patterns, thems, and clearer meanings from the responses.
Results. This creates the finding of the data gathered from online interview with attendee whose mountainous teacher expected. She experienced a lot of experiences and also challenges that people and students can't see it. The study shows the experience, challenges, and way mountainous teacher handled teaching in rural areas every day. Key themes: limited resources, maximize local resources, and local language. The main problem are limited resources, using local materials and language differences with students in rural schools. Teacher in remote mountain areas of the country faces many challenges in their job. Teachers face difficulties such as lack of teaching materials, resources, poor internet accessibility, poor student attendance, language barriers. Teachers also have to deal with long and dangerous mountain roads to get to the school. Teachers in remote areas face hard travel, lack of materials, and poor student attendance in difficult conditions. Sustainability. Michelle et al. 2022 claims that teaching in public school are challenging yet worthwhile. Tutoring in rural areas also spotlights the importance of the attachment within the society. Teaching in rural areas is difficult, but the teachers and communities work together to continue education for students. Strong commitment and dedication. With all these problems, the Vera 2021 states that teachers believe that they contribute to the development of learners and national progress. The study also shows how strong and dedicated teachers are in the mountains. They keep doing their job and help students learn, even when it's harder. The teacher states the indigenous people are very welcoming and respectful and made it simplified to her to get used to the said place. According to Galo 2025, teaching in remote and mountainous areas presents many difficulties in his study. Surviving in the trails, teachers' lived experience in remote areas says that the teacher plays in far-flung communities frequently experience extended level time, insufficient resources, and more importantly, no infrastructure. The study shows dedication and commitment of teachers despite many challenges that they face, and it highlights the real-life situation of teachers working in remote mountain areas without them. Many students in these areas would not have the opportunity to have proper education. Even with limited resources, poor facilities, and language barriers, teachers continue to teach with creativity and patience using strategies such as storytelling, role playing, and other oral activities. The findings reveal the dedication and determination of mountainous teachers despite the difficulties and hard works they continue to teach and support their students. Conclusion. The study also highlights how important the teacher's dedication in all students that had no access ha, to have a good quality education. Communities and to students helps teachers feel motivated to continue their work even when they are far from their families and full of challenges and struggles. And lastly, this study shows the mountainous teachers are very important role in bringing education to remote communities because without them, all students in remote areas are not having good quality education. Recommendations. Based on the findings of our study, it's recommended that schools and authorized provide more support to teachers that assign in mountainous areas, including providing enough learning materials, stable internet, and better classroom facilities. Also, local government should support teachers and communities to continue the good quality education for indigenous students. Other study was uh, Other study may conduct and interview other participants in different mountain areas for a better understanding of this study.